Well, Steve, another league title.
Yeah, I think that's 13 in total. 11 for me personally. To be fair, possibly the most satisfying one. Because people like outside of TNS don't realise what you have to do day in, day out, and that experience and that winning habit, winning mentality, how much it takes.
How have you coped, being a player and then now you're a coach?
Difficult, if I'm being honest. Yeah, there comes a time when you've got to make that decision. Sometimes the legs aren't what they used to, even though they weren't very good at the time when I was playing.
I remember in 2010 where Mike Harris suspended you. Now, I've had many a wake-up call in my life, and I'm sure maybe you did at that time.
I weren't the easiest to manage, I'll be honest, but certainly on the pitch and in training, I'm a born winner. Come a Saturday, every one of my teammates in the dressing room knew I would put my head through that brick wall for them. So if I had to, I'll be forever grateful for TNS. They gave me the platform to go on to do what I did with Wrexham and Wales, and they're giving me the platform with coaching.
When John Toshak told you, how did he tell you that you were going to play for Wales, and what did it feel like to put that red shirt on?
The boss said to me, how would you like to represent your country? And I said I'd love to in no uncertain terms. Proudest moment of my career. It's the best feeling I've ever had on a football pitch. We went out for the warm-up against Liechtenstein, and I've got Rob Earnshaw firing the ball into me. I should do as players, test each other, new people and it's coming off my shin. And then you stand there for that national anthem, and I just looked up at the crowd and took a deep breath and said to myself, I belong here, and like you say, it's the best moment I've ever had in football.
I've got to speak to you about Connors Keith, because you're playing against them in the Welsh Cup final. What's a game that's going to be? But let's speak about your time at Connors Keith.
It was nice to play with my brother. I think we were playing press starting, and I set him up and said it was like Keegan and Toshak. So, I'd had a few battles against him, most notably when he was at Bala, and he had broken ribs, and I knew he had. And there was no love lost when I gave him a dig in him, and then he was on the floor and I sort of accidentally stamped on him.
Connors Keith are a cup team, Iron Brew Cup final. They are the holders of the Welsh Cup. Do you fear them at all on Sunday?
No, there's no fear there. We know exactly what they're going to bring. You're going to have to stand up to the battle. You know how they're playing. They're direct. People, they say about the TNS bubble, it's all pretty football. Get in their faces, bully them, do whatever you can. Now, we've shown on a number of occasions this year that we're more than just a footballing team. We can mix it as well.
You know what? You're giving me goose pimples looking forward to Sunday, mate. So congratulations on winning the title, and good luck for this Sunday.
Cheers, buddy.